Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will share new another earning apps review. Apps link video description. First click now, sign up. Okay, select your any Gmail account, automatically log in your account. Already I have my account login. Okay, then first click now spin. Okay, daily spin 16 spin available. First spin, okay, 8 coins earning, and then click now second spin, ads watching now. Okay, part spin ad watching now must be. Okay, then click now gifts box open. Okay, 12 coin earning, good. Then waiting now, next, and daily check-in bonus 10 coins. Okay, 7 day bonus time now. Then click now tax, daily tax. Okay, see you now your daily tax earning list. Then click now cross icon, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. 100% trusted and 100% legit earning apps. And games playing start now, classics mode, and click now games play. Okay, games play and high amount coins earning available. Okay, please join my Telegram channel. Games playing is starting now. Okay, 1 level complete and 100 coins free. Then what ads watching now. Okay, 200 coins earning, and my total earning 400 plus. Okay, then click now. Then I will share withdraw process. Click now PayPal icon. Okay, first click gift box option, and then showing PayPal icon. Okay, PayPal available, and check your invitation level coins earning. Okay, then click now PayPal. Okay, PayPal, Gcash, Payeer, Dana, TRX, withdraw international payment method available. PayPal only 10,000 coins earning 60 cents available, and Dana, Payeer, okay, all available. My totally choice TRX. Okay, Bitcoin withdraw. Okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel. This earning app 100% trusted, trust me. This company apps, all apps trusted. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.